Tonight we will be reassembling this Sony micro cassette recorder motor. It was seized up because this bearing was crusty and one of the lead wires to it was broken. So we are going to replace both lead wires, oil it up on both ends, and reassemble it. Okay, make sure that that is clenched down well. Alright, the wires. Now, let us let's oil it to make sure that it works properly. Might be a bit much. I'll do this one as well. Alright. Now, I should redo these wires. Hold on. I will redo these wires up quickly. I'm not sure that I've got them on all that well. Especially the white one. Alright, let us do that. Now for the armature right here. Try to slip it in. It's very tricky to do this. Now, okay, now let's try to slip it all back into the upper case. And hopefully it works out. So far, so good. And alright. there didn't seem to be any particular direction that this had to face. Alright, yep, it's snapping in. I don't film opening up these motors because it takes quite a while to do that. These motors are very tricky to open. They're actually made not to be opened in most cases. Alright. Okay, I'm going to try and test it out. Alright, first of all, put it on a bit more tightly. I actually rebuilt 2 other motors before this successfully. I'm not going to guarantee that this one's going to work on camera, but if it doesn't, I'll just tinker with it some more and get it so that it does work. Hopefully. I'll strip these. Thought there'd be enough bare wire at the ends to be able to do it without, but alright. Let's do the white one now. Just a little is needed. We don't need much. As I said before, I'm going to be working more with this motor to get it right. I just want to show you the basics of what I did. Okay, I'm going to need to work more on this. Yeah, it needs to be straightened out back here. Yeah. It's out a bit there, so I think it needs to be tapped in just a bit more on this side. Let's try it again. Bit tedious. Okay, I may have to do this off camera because this is taking quite a while. But I'll try one more time. Once or twice more. And if it doesn't work still, then I'll do it off camera and get it to working condition. Alright, that might do it. Let me see. Okay, we're gonna have to do it off camera, but that's the basics of what goes into one of my rebuilds. The Sony microcassette motor.